We are finally heading out. That star up there? It holds 99% of all system mass. Let's go see it up close. We are currently stealing velocity from Venus. It is a cosmic gravitational slingshot, using planetary momentum to fling us inward fast. Mercury is right around the corner. Look at Mercury's baked crust. No atmosphere means absolute chaos here. It swings 600 degrees between day and night. Talk about extreme thermal shock. See that faint, ghostly wedge of light? That is the zodiacal glow. Millions of ancient dust particles reflecting raw sunlight. We are flying straight through history. We just crossed the Alfvén critical boundary. The solar wind just went supersonic. The magnetic field lines are snapping open. Things are getting sketchy down here. That ghostly white crown is the corona. It is a vast ocean of magnetic plasma. I look like a literal speck out here, and it is getting uncomfortably warm. Nothing but a faint, milky haze out here. Just scattered light dissolving into the absolute dark. You'd never guess this quiet ghost of a veil is secretly millions of degrees hot. Hear that static? It is not broken. High-energy protons are slamming our outer shields. They are flying at 800 kilometers per second. Pure radioactive fury hitting the camera glass. Look at that colossal blade of plasma. That is a coronal streamer structure. The sun's magnetic field lines sculpt them, like glowing highways stretching across the void. We are hovering directly over a coronal hole. Magnetic lines snap open right here, venting high-speed solar wind out to space. It feels like looking into an abyss. We are tracking parallel to a massive magnetic arch. These loops trap superheated plasma inside them, acting like glowing pipelines across the star. Don't touch the walls. A localized solar flare just blew nearby. That is millions of hydrogen bombs detonating at once. The radiation is completely maxing out our sensors. Time to move. We just dropped into a blinding white fog. The dense plasma is scattering all solar photons. You literally cannot see through this soup. It is pure blinding white out here. Look straight down past my boots. That is actual coronal rain falling. Superheated plasma cools down and condenses rapidly. Gravity is pulling it right back down. I am safely inside the shield's shadow. Outside it is over 1300 degrees. The carbon composite is keeping me alive. Just barely. We are crossing the thin transition region now. Temperature just plummeted from 1,000,000 degrees down to just 10,000 Kelvin. This is a gargantuan solar prominence, a massive wall of cool, dense plasma. It loops hundreds of thousands of kilometers, anchored deep into the surface below. We are plunging toward the lower atmosphere. That red layer below is the chromosphere. It is a wall of supersonic spicules. We are about to touch it. We are sinking into the chromosphere forest. These plasma spicules blast upward incredibly fast, shooting 10,000 kilometers high before collapsing. The sheer speed is unreal. We just got hit by a CME! Billions of tons of magnetized plasma blasting. It is moving at millions of miles per hour. Hold on to something! Look at this ocean of pure light. This is where the sun becomes visible. It is the lowest, brightest layer. We have finally touched the surface. Those cells are continent-sized boiling bubbles, hot plasma rising in the center, then sinking back down on the edges. It is constant convection loops. It is freezing for the sun. 1,000 degrees cooler in here. Trapped magnetic fields choke the heat flow. Makes it look pitch black. Look at the penumbra boundary structure. Field lines are under massive stress here. Wait, prepare yourself, look! Okay, that was extremely intense. We made it out of the worst. 600 million tons of hydrogen, converted to helium every single second. The power is absolute. We are moving extremely fast now. Escaping the sun's immense gravity, we have to hit escape velocity, 618 kilometers per second. Still trailing the sun's immense presence. We just crossed the current sheet. This carries the star's magnetic fields, rotating right across the solar system. And it looks like an actual star again, not a wall of pure light. But light takes time, 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. We are safely heading home. Out of the engine room, it is just a main sequence star, a perfectly stable engine for us. Nearly home, out of the blast zone. Earth's powerful magnetic shield will protect us now. We survived the absolute heart of it.